Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log into your OneDrive account from your computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to your System Tray section at the bottom right corner of your screen. This is where your Microsoft OneDrive app launcher is located. You'll typically find it among your other system icons near the clock. Go ahead and click on the OneDrive icon to open the application. Once you click it, a small OneDrive window will pop up on your screen. Now, to log into your OneDrive account, simply look for and click on the Sign In button within this window. This button is your gateway to accessing all your cloud-stored files and folders. Clicking it will prompt a Microsoft OneDrive sign-in window to appear on your screen. From here, you have the flexibility to log in using either your OneDrive account credentials or your Microsoft 365 account. This is convenient because both accounts work seamlessly with OneDrive, giving you access to the same cloud storage platform. The sign-in process is straightforward and only takes a moment to complete. Simply enter your login credentials in the appropriate fields. This typically includes your email address associated with your Microsoft account and your password. Make sure you enter these details carefully to avoid any login errors. Once you've entered your information, click on the Sign In button to proceed. The system will then verify your credentials and connect you to your OneDrive account. This process usually takes just a few seconds, so you might need to wait briefly while everything loads. Once authenticated, you'll have full access to all your OneDrive files, folders, and sharing options directly from your computer, and that's it. You've now logged into your OneDrive account and can start accessing and managing your cloud storage right from your PC. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.